What's the biggest frustration when doing tile work? That's an easy one. It's the mess. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ben from HamiltonTileGA.com, stepping in for the master himself, the DIY tile guy. Today I'm going to show you one simple trick which is going to help you reduce the mess on your next tile project. My tip is very simple. All it's going to take is a little bit of discipline and developing a routine.
I know what you're thinking. Duh, this is so obvious. It's so basic, but even professionals will keep an extremely messy bucket rim. It's a great job for your helper. Have him grab the margin trowel, scrape out the inside of the bucket, and then wipe it down with a wet sponge. If you don't have a helper, that's fine. Just do it yourself every 30 minutes and watch your job site become that much more clean over the course of a day.
That's a pretty simple tip. All we're trying to do is keep the edge of our thinset bucket clean of all thinset.
My contention is that staying aware of your surroundings and cleaning your bucket will certainly reflect in your finished product. Watch any professional tile installer and you'll notice that the good ones are very neat and tidy.
Thanks again to DIY Tile Guy. This is Ben from HamiltonTileGA.com signing out. See you soon.